In a right angle triangle ABC, a circle with side AB as diameter is drawn to intersect the hypotenuse AC at P. Okay, so there is a triangle ABC which is right angle. Let me draw a right angle triangle. Okay, so A, B and C, and there is a circle drawn with AB as diameter. Okay, so this is AB, so there is one circle. Okay, AB is the diameter of that circle. So this is a circle and AB is the diameter, and that circle is intersecting the hypotenuse AC at point P. Okay, here at point P. Now prove that the tangent to the circle at P bisects the side BC. Okay, if we draw a tangent, okay, from P, we should prove that this tangent will bisect BC. Let this point be Q. Okay, all right. Okay, now let us join this BP. Since AB is diameter, angle APB is equal to 90 degrees. This angle should be equal to 90 degrees, right? Because diameter will subtend 90 degrees angle. Okay, so this is 90 degrees. All right, if this is 90, this whole part should be equal to 90 degrees, right? Okay, so let this be X, let this be Y. Let me draw the triangle again. So P, B, C, and this is Q. Okay, so this whole part was 90, right? So that means this is X, let this be X, let this be Y, and this is 90 degrees. Okay, all right. Now PBC is a triangle, right? So in triangle PBC, if angle P is 90 degrees, what will be the sum of angle C, angle B and angle C now? It will also be 90 degrees, because if one is 90, okay, the sum of the other two angles should also be equal to 90 degrees. Okay, because the sum of three angles in a triangle should give us 180 degrees. See, this is 90. So this and this, sum of these two angles should give us 90 degrees, right? Okay, but see here, come back to the original diagram. Q is a point outside the circle, right? So QP and QB are lengths of tangents, and these two lengths of tangents will be equal, right? That means QP will be equal to QB. Okay, so QP is equal to QB, which means their opposite angles will also be equal. Opposite angle of BQ is X. So opposite angle of PQ will also be X now. So this is X, this is X. This is X plus Y, 90. Let us write that X plus Y is equal to 90. Okay. Now let angle C be Z. Okay. Now we have X and Z. So from here we can write X plus Z is equal to 90 degrees, right? So we have two equations now, equation 1 and 2. Let us eliminate Y from this. Okay, how can we eliminate, sorry, let us eliminate X from this. How can we eliminate X? By subtracting, right? So minus X plus X will become 0. Y minus Z is equal to 90 minus 90 is also 0. That means Y is equal to how much? Z. Okay, that means this Y and Z, these two angles are equal. Okay, so if these two angles are equal, their opposite sides should also be equal, right? So opposite side of angle Z is PQ, and opposite side of angle Y is QC. All right, that means these three sides are equal. BQ, okay, BQ is equal to PQ, it is equal to QC, right? 1, 2 and 3, three sides are equal. So BQ is equal to QC, right? BQ is equal to QC, which means Q is midpoint of BC, right? Q is midpoint of BC, which means what? This tangent is bisecting the side BC, right? We needed to prove that the tangent to the circle at P bisects the side BC. So we just came to know that Q is the midpoint. That means BC is being bisected by this tangent, right?